The RIDGID PCS 500 transportable pipe saw delivers the best cut around, faster and more efficient with less operator fatigue. Clamp it, align it, lock it in place, power it up, plunge it, rotate it. The PCS 500 moves effortlessly around the pipe while you stand in place. The ergonomic clamp takes the weight out of your hands, reducing operator fatigue, minimizes unexpected kickback inherent with other methods, ensures precision accuracy, and gives you a perfectly square cut every time with just a push of the hand. LED indicator lights monitor the feed rate of the saw and flash when it needs to slow down. The PCS 500 cuts easily through steel, stainless steel, cast iron, and plastic pipe. Spend less time training, less time on the job, with faster setup and improved quality.